Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer money from your Canadian Tire Mastercard in 2025. With the latest updates to their platform, this process is quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're paying off a loan, sending cash to a friend, or just managing your finances, you'll be a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Canadian Tire app installed on your phone or access to their website. It's optimized for 2025 with enhanced security features like biometric login. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. If you're on the website, head to the login page and enter your details securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Select your Canadian Tire Mastercard as the source account. Pro tip: double-check your balance here to avoid any surprises. Next, choose your destination. This could be another bank account, a credit card, or even a mobile wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any potential fees. 2025 brings lower transfer costs, but they can vary based on the destination. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify all the details. You'll get a summary of the transaction, including the date, amount, and any exchange rates if it's an international transfer. Once everything looks good, authorize the transfer with your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you have set up. And just like that, you're done. The money should appear in the destination account within minutes for most transfers. Remember, always keep an eye on your statements for accuracy and report any issues right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.